I've been super excited to see Modi, to be honest. He has done amazing work in India.
The fact that he's coming all the way from there to here is very, very exciting.
बहुत उत्सुक हैं उनसे मिलने के लिए और बहुत अच्छे प्रधानमंत्री है हमारे देश के लिए भी और सारी दुनिया में उनका डंका है.
Namaste Modi ji, a very very warm welcome to you in USA.
He is my favorite leader of all time.
I've been super excited to see Modi, to be honest. He has done amazing work in India. The bullet train initiatives, the electrification of railway network, Pakka Makan, Swachh Bharat. मैं नागपुर में रहता हूँ, so metro over there, Nitin Gadkari sir. It has been amazing to see this man revolutionary make India great again, and I really love his aura and his energy when he comes. And I would love to meet him tomorrow when he comes.
The fact that he's coming all the way from there to here is very, very exciting. And I'm looking forward to him enabling easier immigration for people here, the Indian diaspora, making our lives easier with, visas and being able to travel back to the world, bringing more investments back to India, more opportunities for students to come here to the US. So basically, making it easier and easier day by day for both the countries, US and India. And I would love for him to make policies where even US students can go to India and learn whatever they want, because there is so much in India also to learn about. So yes, very excited, looking forward to the new policies they make.
बहुत उत्सुक हैं उनसे मिलने के लिए और बहुत अच्छे प्रधानमंत्री है हमारे देश के लिए भी और सारी दुनिया में उनका डंका है. तो हम तो बहुत उत्सुक है. हमारा गुजरात समाज यहाँ से लगभग 5 से 10 हजार पब्लिक तो जाने वाला है. 10 हजार से ऊपर ही होगा, नीचे नहीं.
तो उनसे कुछ बात करने का सोच रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री?
हाँ, हमको मौका मिलेगा तो जरूर बात करेंगे.
Very excited, and I would like to start with Namaste Modi ji, a very very warm welcome to you in USA, in New York City. And we are very thankful for all the important work that you've done for all the people of India. We are sitting so far and we're so super proud of him sitting here. Like, proud is an understatement, totally. So definitely I want to educate my future generations in my family and my friends. I want to tell about a great leader like you. So thank you very much that everything that you've done for us.
We are very excited to meet him. I think he's my favorite leader of all time. I'm so excited to meet him.
तो आप जाएंगे लॉन्ग आइलैंड उनसे मिलने?
जी, मैं अपनी पूरी फैमिली के साथ लॉन्ग आइलैंड जा रही हूँ उनसे मिलने के लिए.